like this, I'm guessing. Oh, I guess so, right?
Yeah. Makes sense.
I didn't read the instructions, but I guess it's like this.
I'm assuming it's like that.
Oh, what? It's like up to there, what?
That's it. I can't.
Oh, no. There's a little bit of thingy.
What is that?
So it locks.
Oh, I was confused.
Okay, and then can even, if we're gonna use the GoPro, can we do that? Yes, we can. We can use without the light. Well, how is it?
It looks
Fine?
something.
How about that?
Too yellow.
Really?
Isn't that the yellow light?
How about that?
Which one is the whitest light?
That's white.
Okay. I can see the ring light reflection on your glasses.
Of course, right?
That's fine though.
Like there, how about my eyes? Is that like a ring? They said it could reflect to
I can see it from here, but I can't really see it on the camera.
It's so small.
Yeah, that's like... How about if you move to the living room? There's barely any lighting there.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay.
Mary just come
Hi, are you curious what mommy and Sherry doing?
Okay, unplug. I'm carrying the camera with it. Where's the plug there?
This is what I'm looking for. Like, there's a plug that you can put the GoPro in. I'm so happy.
What?
Oh, too bright. Is it too bright? Hold on.
Mary.
Don't touch it though. What? That's white,
Is it the whitest?
I think. How about that?
And they're all fine. Too yellow.
What about like?
Too yellow.
Okay.
Too yellow.
It's still yellow.
Looks yellow from here.
Okay.
No, I'm not looking at the camera. Is it the brightest?
No, it's not the
What
brightest.
is the brightest?
Here's my daughter Mary. She loves me. She's giving me a hug. Give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. No.
She has Cheetos.
Oh, give me. You know what? She got what?
Cheetos.
Cheetos. Okay, is that better lighting though? Hi, this is Lindley. Welcome to Lindley's World. I just got my 18-inch ring light today in the mail. I got it from Amazon, so I'm gonna unbox it now. Newer. Okay. Ring light installation instructions. Power cord. Mount for your cell phone. Probably for the tripod. Power adapter. Okay, this is for the light. Orange. They have an orange tint. I don't think I'm gonna use this. This is the white cover. Also for the ring light. Remote control. This seems to be the tripod. I'm going to show you the difference between just a regular light or with the ring light. Oh, here it is. Big. Hi. It's like a picture frame, huh? And then I'm going to use the white one. Where does it start? Doesn't matter. See this thing? That's the guide. I figured it out, okay? Here. Okay, got it. Why don't they just put this together? Why do I have to do it? Careful. I'll try to be careful. Hold on. Okay. There you go. 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 Snap, snap, snap. Everything snapped. Kind of heavy. What do I expect? You have to unscrew it a little bit so it fits, okay? So that's why it doesn't fit. Right. Now it fits, okay? You have to unscrew this too. Don't forget. So many little things. Okay. Dang, so bright. See how bright that is? Okay, just a quick test. This is the 10-inch ring light that I also got from Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. Let's turn it on. There are 3 settings or colors. First, it's like yellowish tint. The second one. So there are actually like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can also adjust it to dim. That's the dimmest. And the brightest is this one. Alright, So that's the test. Hello. So this is just the ceiling light. You should also see how it looks like. Right, just that. Right now. We're gonna test this ring light. Turn on. You can also adjust it. Oops. Okay, so that's the dimmest. Brightest. Whew. Dang, that's too bright. Okay. That's too bright. Is that still bright here? Okay, that's too bright. Yeah, I think I like it. Yep. Okay, that's it. I like it. This is the 10-inch ring light and this is the 18-inch ring light. Turn it on. Whew. That's the brightest. There you go. Thanks. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.